How to connect hotspot to laptop. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to connect hotspot to laptop. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's really quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do that, you just need to make sure that you have turned on the hotspot from your phone. So it usually head over to the connection and sharing or under the cellular tab. So make sure you turn on the hotspot on your phone before you do this. Now, connecting a hotspot is the same as connecting a Wi-Fi on your laptop. So to do that, what we need to do is we just need to head over to our Wi-Fi icon right here. So just click on the Wi-Fi icon. And once you have clicked on that, you can see in here all the Wi-Fi or hotspot available on your area. Now, once you're in there, just click on the hotspot. And then for in there, just click on connect. And then you can just enter the security key as usual. So let's try to enter our security key. Then after that, just click on next and click on yes, and you should be able to connect to that Wi-Fi. So let's just wait for that to connect right here. Now once you have connected to your Wi-Fi, you can now freely browse the computer that you have. So for example, you can head over and go to speed test right here in order to run a speed test on your hotspot's connection. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to connect hotspot to laptop. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below. I will try my best to answer them. Thanks.